What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. Today we're going to be going over Shiba Inu, just a little short update on what's going on in Shiba Inu, what we got going on for the technicals, and what has already happened fundamentally with Shiba Inu. So anyways, hit the like button, subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know exactly what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And also, if you want to help support the channel, definitely go ahead and send a donation through the Cash App or PayPal donation link in the description. Now let's go straight over Shiba Inu. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this is financial advice. So the first thing you can see in Shiba Inu, the 24-hour market control over here with the Vital Algo indicators is in control by the bulls by 60%. So it is showing that we're 60% bullish. So this is definitely a very good sign because remember, right in between is 50-50. So it's 50% bullish, 50% bearish. Right now we're 60% bullish, showing that we're only up by 10% with the bulls. So pretty much what this is showing is that we're actually about to take off inside Shiba Inu. I know I say this a lot. I know I say we're about to take off all the time. That's because I truly believe we are about to take off inside Shiba Inu. When I say this, it could either be near short term or it could be next 10 days, next 2 weeks, next month, something like that. I know something's about to happen. Something's cooking up here in Shiba Inu. There would be no reason for us to be 60% bullish when the other day we were 80% bearish. So for the only way that that could happen is if we're about to have a reversal. So when you see these vital algo indicators saying chance of reversal, it means we're about to go on the reversal to the upside. So we were all the way down back here on the second, which is the second, but earlier around like 4 a.m. or something like that, we were all the way down here in this green area, which is our supply and demand. So green areas are our supply and demand of red are more demand, and then the red areas are our supply and demand of less demand. So the second we hit the green area of supply and demand of more demand, we actually started to go up on an uptrend here, hitting that chance of reversal, which is why it showed that. Now we bounced off of the red area of less demand, but we're now bouncing back off of the green area of more demand. I know we're like stuck in between this channel. So when you look over here at the oscillator, you see that we're actually at the bottom of the selling volume of the oscillator, or really at the top if you want to flip the upside down. So when you see it hit the tip of this oscillator of the selling volume, that means that that's the max selling volume that we have for right now. So now you're about to see buying volume coming in, because look, when you hit the bottom of the selling volume, you end up going all the way up to the top to the buying. And you see, we were on an overbought area, so obviously we're going to sell off a little bit from there and hit a little bit of a bearish market. We were too overbought from there. But now, as you're seeing with Shiba Inu, we're actually about to start having this buying volume because we are at the tip of this selling pressure in the selling volume. So you're going to see some buying volume here. Green area, like I said, is more demand. This whole area right here indicates that there's more demand for Shiba Inu. This whole area shows more demand for Shiba Inu. Now that we're actually about to go on the uptrend, we're about to see us go on the uptrend to this less demand area. Now, we may get rejected and we may continue to trend between this path for a little while. But I want to mention something. Robinhood is releasing Dogecoin wallets mid-January. 15th of January, somewhere from the 10th to the 20th of January, they're going to be releasing the Dogecoin wallets. Now, there's also rumors that Robinhood will also be listing the Shiba Inu on Robinhood. So Shiba Inu may be listed on Robinhood. Look, when they list stuff, they do it back to back to back. So Robinhood is about to list the wallets. Maybe they list Shiba Inu after they put the wallets out. But there's been a lot of talk about Shiba Inu on Robinhood. So also, Robinhood stock is down to $17. So this is really going to incentivize them to do something to bounce back. And also, you got to think about it. $17 is pretty low. They're really going to want their stock to be worth more than $17. They just IPO'd, for crying out loud. They're gonna want their stock more than $17 right now. So if we actually get Shiba Inu on a Robinhood, we will see a huge pump. Now, what this pump could look like, it could look like a lot, but leading up to the pump is what we need to look at. We don't need to worry about what would happen when Shiba Inu gets listed at Robinhood. We know it'll pump, but what will happen before it gets listed to Robinhood? When we have rumors about it getting listed to Robinhood. So right now, there's a lot of rumors about Shiba Inu getting listed to Robinhood. So with the rumors, remember, by the rumor style of news, what you'll see is us going up to this next supply and demand area, the 3-5 area. I know it may look like a huge significant jump, but when you really zoom out, it's really not much at all. Like, let's zoom all the way out. Like, it's really not that big of a jump. But yeah, we will see the 3-5 area coming very soon with Shiba Inu. And then after that, you'll probably see Shiba Inu trending back down to this supply and demand area, or we can just call it our support at 34.50. This is where we have less demand. But yeah, I mean, this is where we would have more demand. I'm sorry, more demand. So yeah, when we hit that more demand area, and then we will go back on our rise to hit our less demand area, which is going to be our resistance. It's going to act as our resistance, and this is where our supply and demand of less demand will be. And then we'll hit that, and then probably just take a trend back down to the previous area of less demand, which will then become our more demand area. That's just how it works. Then it'll come back down to that 3,600 area. Then once we trend it back down, we always got to do pullbacks in crypto. We can never just straight go to the moon all in one shot. It always does pullbacks. We always have pullbacks in crypto. It's natural. So yeah, when we see this pullback coming back, we'll see Shiba Inu start to rise again up to the 3950 area or the 40 area. We could just say that. But 40 is a very significant resistance for Shiba Inu. So when we hit 40, yes, we will trend back down probably to about 3,800. But after we break 40, 40 is such a significant resistance because there's not much resistance after 40. After we get past 40, we're going to have little to no resistance. Shiba Inu is just going to go straight to the moon. So you can see over here, our next areas of less demand would probably be around 4,500 to about 5,100. That's why there's little to no resistance after that, because it goes so high after that. So expect Shiba Inu to go all the way down from this area here, from the 3,800 area, all the way up to about the 4,500 area after we do our little bit of a pullback from the 40 area once we start doing our pump. So we should be having a pump coming in Shiba Inu very soon. Remember though, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. We're all just doing speculation here. We're going off technical indicators. We're going off fundamental analysis, technical analysis, all that. So this is not financial advice. But yeah, anyways, we do have like a lot of FOMO going into Shiba Inu. I was about to say FUD if you're understanding it out, but it's not FUD, it's FOMO. So over here, Shiba Inu might rise significantly in early next year. A lot of people are talking about this. We have a lot going on for Shiba Inu, so I definitely believe we could definitely rise. Anyways, over here, you can see Shiba Inu has had its fair share of beating the last couple of weeks, as you know. But anyways, Shiba Inu could be nearing its all-time high coming into early next year. So anyways, the big drop in price we see with Shiba Inu has pretty much likely to do with this year-end selling of crypto tax. Because remember, people got to sell their crypto for the tax purposes, but now people are going to start buying their crypto back. So we're about to see people start dumping their money back into crypto. So anyways, considering the price of Shiba Inu, when we take into account on-chain metrics, we see that 54% of all SHIB holders in the money now, and that 78% of all SHIB holders are considered to be large holders. So there's a lot of people with a lot of money inside Shiba Inu, and they're probably about to start doubling down. They're probably about to start buying these dips. Remember, a lot of people are buying the dips here. A lot of whales are doubling down on Shiba Inu, so we may see Shiba Inu continue to rise. But they say although there will most likely be some bumps on the road to its 50-day SMA of 4099. That's why I say the 40 area is such a significant level of resistance for Shiba Inu that will just go to the moon if we get past that. But anyways, they say, for example, enough buying pressure could easily break this and send Shiba Inu towards the 50 area, pretty much starting in 2022. So that's pretty much what we'll probably see for Shiba Inu. We'll see Shiba Inu past the 40 and then the 50 area if we can continue to pump. But people are probably about to start FOMOing back into crypto. And like I said, it's just a cycle. People buy, people sell, people buy, people sell. Right now, I sold a little bit of my crypto only because I got to pay some bills, but I'm going to be buying back in, and I'm going to be buying a lot when I buy back in. But yeah, anyways, we should be seeing some nice pumps coming inside crypto soon. Now, remember what happened in early 2021 last year. So early 2021, you can see not much movement really happened inside January. Like January was nice. We did knock out a zero. So you can see that there was a zero that got knocked out of Shiba Inu. And then we added another zero. And then after that, we pretty much waited a while to knock off that other zero, and then we start to go crazy. So we may see some fluctuations in crypto before another rise. Now, maybe it waits till April like it did last time. Maybe it doesn't. It could happen like that or it could not. So we just gotta wait and we just gotta see. But yeah, anyways, Shiba Inu launched this beta version of the DAO. I went over that a couple days ago and I talked about it. So this is going to be pretty big for Shiba Inu. The fact that we got this out, they're going to be rolling it out in phases. the DAO 1, the DAO 2, the DAO 3. They're going to be rolling that out in phases. So you definitely want to watch out for that. There's going to be a lot of good stuff coming out with the DAO. But just to kind of recap everything, the Dogecoin rival released the stage by stage DAO, blah, 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 and the metrics in the approach. So the first phase, called DAO 1, will be implemented within the next few days. The DAO 1 phase will focus on providing immediate power to the community to decide which crypto projects and crypto pairs on the ShibaSwap Wolf pools will be, and how the Bone rewards allocation points are to be distributed amongst them. So the Bone rewards will be pretty much the gas fees paid in Bone or something like that for the Shibarium. So anyways, the DAO will use Bone or T-Bone, T-Bone, right, for voting rights, which is a new staking contract to lock Bone for a longer period of time before voting begins. Now, once the first phase is complete, using community feedback, Shiba Inu will release a newer version called DAO 2, and that's when they're going to roll that out, to allow the community to make generic proposals for consideration or review by a multi-sig team and breeds, according to the blog. So Shiba Inu noted to avoid possible whales controlling the voting process, the Guardian 6 out of 9 wallet will have final say on whether a pair should be listed or not, to ensure no one is truly gaming the system. I think they meant gaining the system, not gaming. I don't know. Either way, this is definitely good for Shiba Inu that we got this coming out. So we got a lot of good stuff going out for Shiba Inu, and we got a lot of people buying more Shiba Inu by the day. So we had a whale buy $134 million worth of Shiba Inu recently. So lots of money is flowing through Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is pretty stagnant for the day right now. We're only down 0.3% for the last 24 hours. So not too bad, not too shabby, right? But yeah, down 10% in the last 7 days, down 7% in the last 14 days. Not too bad with Shiba Inu. But yeah, we are now past 1.1 million holders. We've been past it. But yeah, we're at 1,100,000 or 1,112,375 people in Shiba Inu. And yesterday we had 1,110,737 people. So we're getting a lot of people in Shiba Inu, about 2,000 overnight. There's a lot of people buying into Shiba Inu every single day. So it's definitely good news that we got more people inside Shiba Inu. But anyways, this is pretty much all I got for you all today. I definitely want to mention one more thing about the Shiba Inu charts. So as I mentioned, mid-January is when the wallets come out for Dogecoin. So expect sometime around late January or possibly early February for them to maybe announce Shiba Inu. I'm not saying they will. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. But there has been rumors that Shiba Inu is going to be released on Robinhood very soon. The reason I say this, Robinhood stock has been falling significantly. They're actually at $17. So Robinhood needs to do something if they really want to combat that drop in their price on their stock. The only way for them to increase their stocks is to increase trading on Robinhood. The only way to increase trading on Robinhood is to add Shiba Inu and to add Dogecoin wallets. So that would increase trading on Robinhood, and they know it. That's why they're trying to push this Dogecoin wallet so hard. They're literally about to drop the Dogecoin wallet from the 10th to the 20th, sometime mid-January. They're going to be dropping this Dogecoin wallet. Then on top of the Dogecoin wallet, now Shiba Inu. This is going to help them out as well. So Robinhood knows exactly what they got to do in order to stay relevant, in order to keep getting more money flowing through their platform. So they're going to be putting more things that can be traded on there. Shiba Inu is one of the hottest cryptos. So it's going to be, it's pretty much, it's required for them to do this. This is a requirement at this point. They have to do this if they want to survive. But anyways, hit the like button, subscribe. It really does help the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.